Let's drive into deep sea. Let's learn sea animals with Mimu. There is a whale, it is big and said whistle, whistle and jump. There is a octopus with moving tentacles, beebeebee. Wow, a shark with sharp teeth, crunch, crunch, crunch. There is a dolphin, said I can talk and make sounds. Here is a jellyfish, looks jiggle, jiggle. There is a crab behind rock, click, click, click. There is a sea turtle, swim, swimming. There is moving seahorse, blub, blub, blub. There is stingray, said wavy, wavy, wavy. Beautiful starfish over there, blub, 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 blub. Mimu said, sea animals are super cool. Mimu said, I enjoyed learning sea animals, blub, blub, blub. Blub, 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 blub. Sea animals, blub, blub, blub. Sea animals, blub, blub, blub.